Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 88. Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of the fishes is mainly due to non-availability of oxygen, food, light, essential minerals. The correct answer is option 1, oxygen. Question number 75. In genetic engineering, the antibiotics used are to select healthy vectors as sequence from where replication starts, to keep cultures free of infection as selectable markers. The correct answer is option 4. They are used as selectable markers. Question number 60. Cod liver oil is a rich source of iodine, vitamin A, vitamin B or vitamin C. The correct answer is option B. It is a rich source of vitamin A. Question number 54. Nucleotides are formed by purine, sugar and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine, phosphate, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. Nucleotides are formed by. The correct answer is option C, purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. Question number 53. The largest gene in human is insulin, tumor suppressor gene, beta globin gene of hemoglobin or dystrophin. Largest gene in human is. The correct answer is option T. Dystrophin is the largest human gene. Question number 69. In mammalian eye, the fovea is the center of visual field where more rods than cones are found. High density of cones occur but has no rods. The optic nerve leaves the eye. Only rods are present. In the mammalian eye, the fovea is the center of the visual field where. The correct answer is option B. High density of cones are present but there are no rods. Question number 64. Respiratory quotient of protein is 0.9, 1, 1.2 or 0.7. Respiratory quotient of protein is. The correct answer is option A, 0.9. Question number 69. In pteridophytes, phloem is without option A, bast fibers, option B, sieve tubes, option C, companion cells or option D, sieve cells. In pteridophytes, phloem is without. Correct answer is option C. There is no companion cells in phloem of pteridophytes. Question number 70. True nucleus is absent in option A, Mucor, option B, Wucheria, option C, Volvox, option D, Anabana. True nucleus is absent in. Correct answer is option D, that is Anabana. Question number 82. Read the following 5 statements A to E and answer as asked next to them. You can read the statements. How many of the above statements are correct? Option 1, 3 are correct. Option 2, 4 are correct. Option 3, 1 is correct, or option 4, 2 are correct. The answer is option 3, that is only one statement is correct. Question number 54. Fern spores are usually option A, haploid, option B, diploid, option C, triploid or option D, tetraploid. Fern spores are usually. The correct answer is option A, it is haploid. Question number 70. In a population, natality is balanced by mortality. Then there will be increase in population growth, zero population growth, overpopulation, increase in population growth. The correct answer is option B. There won't be any population growth because mortality
is being balanced by natality. Natality means number of new births and mortality means number of deaths. So if the births are balancing the death, obviously there won't be any increase in population. When would be there any increase or decrease? Increase would be there when natality has overrated the mortality, means natality is more than mortality, and decrease in population would occur if the mortality is more than natality. If both are balancing each other, no population growth.
Question number 87. High level of biochemical oxygen demand indicates that water is highly polluted, water is less polluted, consumption of organic matter in the water is higher by the microbes, water is pure. High level of BOD indicates. The correct answer is option 1. It indicates that water is highly polluted. Question number 58. Lactose is composed of glucose plus glucose, glucose plus galactose, glucose plus fructose, or fructose plus galactose. The correct answer is option B, glucose plus galactose.
Question number 90. Genetic dwarfism can be overcome by gibberellin, ethylene, auxin, ABA. The correct answer is option A, gibberellins.
So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. To like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.